I'm trying to decide if I should do my hair first or my makeup.
Tryna grab a bit of that black yo magic, 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 magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo. Look at that black yo, hitting me with all of that melanin. Focus, babe.
What's up everyone? How's everyone doing? It's your girl Ash. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I will be showing you how I revamped this red wig of mine from UNICE hair. So let me give you some background information or a little story on this hair. So this hair came in a 1B color. I have the inches 16, 18, and 20. It's a 4x4 closure. So I bleached it twice. The first time I put highlights in it, and then the second time I just bleached everything to lift it into like a honey blonde highlighted wig. And then I decided to color it red, just because who doesn't look good on red hair? And it's summer, hot girl summer, pop the fuck out. So today I decided to add some bangs just because I had a really hard time trying to blend in this closure. I really suck at doing closures. I'm more of a frontal type of gal, and you would think that closures are easy, but it's really hard to make a closure look natural just because there's not a lot of space to work with. So right here, you guys are just gonna see me trim the bangs. I know they look a little crooked or whatever, but don't judge me because I went in and I fixed them. And then I'm gonna use a round brush and blow dry it. I actually blew dry the whole hair because I literally washed it. So the quality of the hair kind of went down. When I first got it, it was super soft, super smooth. After I bleached it twice, like the quality was so good, and it was still thick from the root to the tip, all that, no dry ends. And now that I have dyed it red, it gets really frizzy. It kind of, snags a bit, and it's also really dry. But for some hair that has been processed as many times as I processed this wig, it's some really good hair. I love UNICE hair. This is the first vendor I have ever tried on AliExpress, and I'm so loyal to them. I always shop at UNICE hair, so definitely check them out. I'm gonna link everything down below for you guys. And this is the Brazilian body wave texture, if you are wondering. So we're gonna get into some curls. I'm using a Conair 1-inch curling iron that I got from Walmart for $10. Girl, yes, you heard me, $10. And this curling iron works really well. So if you're looking for like some new hot tools, definitely check out Conair because they're really affordable and they have some really nice products for good quality.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that.
Okay, hoochies, this is the final look. I love the results. I've been getting so many compliments on this hair, so definitely check out UNICE hair. I'll link everything down below for you all. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.